My name is Vikas and I'm a senior design engineer. So friend, today we are going to learn about sweep cut command in SolidWorks. So let's see how it's work. So basically sweep cut command is used to cut a solid model by sweeping a closed profile along an open or a closed path. A common user is to create a cut around a cylindrical body. So basically this command is very useful to cut a cylindrical surface, or also we can cut some flat surfaces. So let's see how it is going to work. Okay, so first we need some profile of a sketch to cut this surface. So select this, okay, go to sketch, draw a circle, concentric circle, okay, select this and this, make it concentric, okay. Now go to feature, exit sketch, go to curves, select a curve. There is an option called helical and spiral, so select this, select this. As you can see, it is like a profile is created in a helical form on the surface of a cylinder. Also we have some multiple option over here, so we can have the pitch and revolution, height and revolution, height and pitch, and spiral. So basically I have already known this length, so I have selected height and revolution. So height of the cylinder is 600 mm, so I have selected 5 revolution over here, so it accommodate from this point to this point. Okay, so now we have a profile of a cut. So we need another sketch, like in which form we wanted to cut on that surface. So either this is circular or rectangular form. So first we need another sketch on this point. So let's see where we are going to draw this. So right plane is the correct one, so select this, go to normal, sketch, select a circle, draw a circle, like you can also draw here a circle here. So let's see, I can give a dimension to this circle like 50 mm, okay. Select this and the point, this one, and make it coincident. So now we have a profile of a cut and a path. So exit sketch, go to feature, select this swept cut command. Okay, we have a multiple option over here. So basically I'm selecting sketch profile, so select a profile of a cut, this one, and the second one is the path, so I'm selecting this blue line. Okay, now you can see it is cutting like that in a spiral form. So we have a multiple option over here, so here I'm not interested to explain each and every one because this is not basically used. So if you want it to learn, we can make another video to have this all cover. Okay, now we can see there is a cut on a cylindrical surface like this by using swept cut command. Also we can have a cut on this surface, the flat one. So for that we need one profile and a path. So go to normal, go to sketch, select a sketch, select a profile, so I'm selecting spline, select this edge, this, like this. Okay, now we need a profile cut, select this, go to normal. We need a profile of a cut over here, so again I'm selecting a circle, select this and this point. Okay, we can also give a dimension to this, and I'm giving 100 mm. Okay, So this profile of a cut and the profile of a line should be coincidence. So select this and this, make it coincident. Now we have a profile of a cut and a profile of a line or path. Okay, so go to feature, again select swept cut command. Now we have the same option, so select the profile of a cut and a path. Okay, now we can see it is cut like that. So we can use this on a cylindrical surface also and a flat surface also. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.